Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 no speakers or headphones are plugged in error. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Sound Settings. Right click, Enable Device. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click Run as Administrator. Type net local group administrators / add network service. Type net local group administrators / add local service. Exit and restart system. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Update audio driver from my computer. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Uninstall audio driver. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.